In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Byteline web scraper extension to extract information from a website and use that into any one of our available integrations. So for today's example, I've got a list of development firms that I've applied a filter on for clutch.co. So I've got a list of 24 firms and I want to get the name of the firm and I also want to get the website link. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go into the flow designer once I'm logged into the account. I'm going to create a flow and let's say, or let's call this the select. Have the trigger as a scheduler. And it's fine to keep this for our purposes today as 1 week. We're going to add the web scraper node. So before we can use this, we're going to need to get the web scraper Chrome extension, which you can follow the link here. It's pretty simple to install. I've already got it installed. So the first thing that we're going to need is the URL. So I'll just copy that from the website. So I'm going to enable the web scraper. And this is a list that we want to extract from. So I want to capture the list elements. If it was just a single element, I could also just capture that one element. So for this example, select the capture multiple. We can see that it's already started to highlight what the list will look like. If I click into this, it will give a more granular look at what I can actually capture. So the first thing being the company name. And just to note, you can see that this highlights in yellow as for all the elements that it would be selecting for. So we have a few options that we can choose from. We have text. We can capture a link if it's available, get the rich text or an image. So for right now, I just want the text. I'm going to paste that. And it'll create a new table here. So I'm just going to call this table. And for naming conventions, just make sure to keep everything to a single word. I also want to capture the website, so I'm going to get the link from this. Let's name this company name, the site. And we want to keep it simple today. So in this video, we're going to gloss over the more advanced features. And let's just do a test run to see what we get for this. So we've got the first 5 results, which would be the expectations for a test run. We know that there's 24, so far it's checking out. We've got eTech All, Connect for Web Design, and then we've got the links associated with those. So for our purposes, we've accomplished what we were looking for. We can add a node and, for example, put this into Google, Webflow, Airtable. There's a lot of options to select from. But what I can do now is just manually run this. And I can see everything that was extracted here. We got a 24 count and everything is looking pretty great. So we'll go into more detail in